This model kit review is of the 2023 Ford Bronco, the Outer Banks version. It's a 1/25th scale model by AMT. Got some nice box art here of the car. There's another different color of it there. And it shows you the decals. Shows you the features of this car. And over here we've got our parts review there. Let's have a look inside and see what we've got. Actually a lot of parts in here. I wasn't expecting quite so many. Here's the body. You can see some of the trim has been separated, so you can paint it separately and then add it afterwards. Got some nice recessed panel lines. Looks like the engine bay is separate, and as you can see here the roof is separate. That's a very nice feature, and it fits perfectly. Look at that. That's amazing. So that way you can paint it separately without having to mask it off. It's a very nice feature. Here we've got some chrome parts for our headlights. We do have well, side glass here, and it's clear. Of course, I've got some probably headlights there. We've also got some glass here that has been smoked, and we've got some rear red lights. That's nice. And here's our front windshield. It's already been painted black with a surround. Here's the front hood. Got our tires. These are pretty stiff vinyl. We do have some tread on them. We've got 5 of them, one for the spare tire. Everything's molded in white. Doesn't make sense to me how some model companies will mold in different colors, especially if you're not going to make them realistic colors. Well, here are our wheels, 5 of them for the spare tire as well, nicely molded. Here we've got our exhaust there, some engine parts there, more engine parts. Looks like this is the inside of our cabin on the roof with some sun visors. Here we've got our chassis, some door skirts there on the side, I guess, parts for our seats. We've also got our pedal box there. Here's the insides of the door panels, front and back, and here are the wheel arches molded separately so you can paint them different colors. Not really sure what these parts are for. Okay, we've also got put our floor pan here. I think that's probably the inside of the roof there. It looks like front axle and steering rack, steering wheel. Over here we've got our central console, we've got our dashboard, suspension parts, more suspension parts with axle, we've got our windshield wipers, disc brakes and brake calipers, wheel hubs. Here is the exhaust. Molding quality is pretty good. Here's the frame, chassis frame. Looks like we've got some subframe parts, seats, seat backs. That's very nice. I'd like to be able to have those separate so you can paint them if you need to. And then for the transmission. Okay, last we've got our bumpers. There it is for the Bronco there. It's nicely molded. Rear bumper there. Looks like some additional parts of the bumper there. And then grills. And we've got some decals here. It's kind of a large sheet. Wasn't expecting quite so many. So look and see what's on here. Wow, that is a lot of decals. And nicely printed too. Got some options there for your instrument panel. I guess depending on which color you're going to paint, it'll have different options there. Nice that we've got different license plates as well. Okay, let's have a look at our instructions here. So there are the colors needed. And we'll start on this side with the cabin, building the seats there, and then details for the dashboard. Here's part of the engine transmission, not a full engine here, and building the chassis with the frame and floor pan. We're building the rear suspension together, along with drive shaft, front suspension going in there. Shows you exactly where that part needs to go. And then we mount all the pieces on, including the dashboard, seats, and central console side and so on. All goes inside on that floor pan. There's our firewall. We're putting the insides of the body together, including our glass, and then our wheel arches. I'm going to put the bumpers together and side mirrors, and then we're putting the hatch on there. I guess it's the roof really, with our glass. Finally mount that all on the body, and then we do our wheels and tires, and finally the rear parts, including the spare wheel. Here's the decal and paint guide. Different options there depending on what color you're going to put it on there. That is a very nice model kit. Unfortunately there's no engine, but otherwise everything else looks great.